Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. AITC is moving fast in rural areas of Garo Hills. BSF brings joy to the border areas in southwest Garo Hills district. Meeting to combat child trafficking in border areas held at Ampati. And with cultural extravaganza, delegates are honoured at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati. And now the news in detail. The All India Trinamool Congress is moving fast in rural areas of Garo Hills, where local leaders are organizing booth-level meetings to propagate the policy, aim and objectives of the party in its political aspiration to help the society at large. On August 3rd, meetings were held at Chongnapara and Salmanpara villages, where party leaders included Zenit M. Sangma, MLA, Sadhya Rani M. Sangma, MDC, Charak W. Moment, MDC, Rinaldo K. Sangma, MDC, Alphonsius R. Marak, MDC and Winnason D. Sangma were present and discussed local issues in preparation for the election in 2023.
Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. We demonstrated our protest demand in front of the Parliament in last week, and our representative, the MP from Trinamool Congress, he has demanded the same on the floor of the House. This is the reflection of the seriousness of the leadership in the All India Trinamool Congress to do for the betterment of the people of the state.
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, BSF Meghalaya on August 2nd organized Har Ghar Tiranga program, which brings joy to the bordering area of southwest Garo Hills district, Meghalaya, with full zeal, pride and fervour. Local villagers, school students and teachers also participated actively in the program held at 28 Battalion BSF camp. During the program, BSF officers explained to the participants the true meaning of Indian flag and its evolution since freedom struggle days. The idea behind the initiative is to invoke the feeling of patriotism in the hearts and minds of the people living in the remote border areas of the country. The aim of the meeting and of the celebration is to inculcate the spirit of oneness among citizens under the shade of one national flag. BSF also motivated all the participants to take home the national flag and unfurl it from 13th August to 15th August 2022 to celebrate the forthcoming 75th year of independence as an embodiment and commitment to nation building. To mark the occasion, tree plantation drive under the theme of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is carried on to international border area and in BSF headquarters, under which more than 1,000 saplings have been planted to make Mother Earth greener. Sensitization program on combating child trafficking was held at Ampati on August 3rd. The program was jointly organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, State Commissioner for Protection of Child Rights and District Administration, Southwest Garo Hills. The program was chaired by S.K. Marak, Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Garo Hills at DRDA Conference Hall, Ampati, as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The theme of the program is to combat the menace of child trafficking in bordering districts of India. Attending the program were officers of different departments who are dealing with the cases against child abuse like ASCs, Superintendent of Police, ASPs and DSPs, representatives from the Anti-Human Trafficking Units, Juvenile Justice Board, Child Welfare Committee, Special Juvenile Police Unit, Child Welfare Police Officer, Social Welfare Officer, District Child Protection Officer and also police officers in charge of stationed across the district. Sensitizing the key stakeholders on basic indicators to identify children at risk, vulnerable children and prevention and combating child trafficking in bordering districts of India is the main objective of the program. And open discussion took place with lively participation from stakeholders who shared their experiences and also exchanged ideas on improving techniques related to handling such cases. and expert resource person of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Rahul Pawar, made a presentation on the subject providing insights into child rights, constitutional rights, legal mechanisms, key mandate of NCPCR, other child-related statutes, comprehensive measures to combat the menace of human trafficking, vulnerability factor and proposed strategy to prevent child trafficking in this country. With cultural extravaganza, Gauhati Salesians welcomed the delegates of social communication, Father Ivo Siolho and Father Gildatsio Mendes of Formation for South Asia region at Don Bosco Institute, Kharghuli, Gauhati. The 5-day joint meeting, the first one to ever convened in the northeastern region of the country. The formal inaugural function was held at 9 a.m. on the 2nd of August 2022 in the evening. A cultural extravaganza was held in the amphitheatre of Don Bosco Institute, Kharghuli, to welcome and facilitate the councillors and the delegates who attended the meeting. The Salesians of Gauhati province, particularly the students of the Don Bosco Institute, entertained the participants with lots of cultural songs and dances to depict the rich culture of the Northeast India. During the program, a book authored by His Grace Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampal titled Values Must Come Alive was also released by Father Gildatsio Mendes, the General Counsellor of Social Communication. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.